قال محمد بن عبد الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: لا تقوم الساعة حتى تعود أرض العرب مروجا وأنهارا. حديث صحيح رواه مسلم.
لا تقوم الساعة حتى يتقارب الزمان، فتكون السنة كالشهر، والشهر كالجمعة، وتكون الجمعة كاليوم، ويكون اليوم كالساعة، وتكون الساعة كالظلمة بالنار.
The Earth's axis has shifted, and I'm hoping this video will convince you of it. I have gathered stuff, and I hope that it will be the proof that you need. The media has been telling us about it, but they slip it in little areas that if you're not really listening, you don't really hear it. You're hearing everything around it, but you don't really hear what they're saying. Please listen. I have made clips to accentuate the parts where they have been telling us that the Earth has shifted on its axis. And I'm not talking about the magnetic pole shift. I'm talking about the Earth has actually shifted on its axis. Please watch the video and decide for yourself. December 30th, 2004. Sumatran quake sped up Earth's rotation. Natural disasters shaved millionths of a second off planet's day. The devastating earthquake that struck the Indian Ocean on the 26th of December was so powerful that it has accelerated the Earth's rotation, geophysics have declared. The blast literally rocked the world on its axis, added Richard Gross and his NASA colleagues. They estimate that Earth now tilts by an extra 2.5 centimeters in the wake of the jolt. They estimate that Earth now tilts by an extra 2.5 centimeters in the wake of the jolt.
Chile was so powerful, it knocked the Earth off of its axis. It knocked the Earth off of its axis. It knocked the Earth off of its axis and shortened the length of the day.
Tonight there is another measure of how powerful this earthquake was. Listen to this. It moved so much mass on the planet that government scientists estimated moved the Earth off its axis. Moved the Earth off its axis. Moved the Earth off its axis by about 3 inches, and as a result shortened the day by a few millionths of a second.
Friday's earthquake off the coast of Japan was so powerful we now know it actually moved Japan's coastline. It changed the balance of the planet. Because of the earthquake, according to scientists, Japan is wider than it was before, and the earthquake is believed to have shortened the day, the entire day of the whole Earth, by a couple millionths of a second. It tilted the Earth's axis slightly. It tilted the Earth's axis slightly. It tilted the Earth's axis slightly.
Strong was today's earthquake in Japan. According to the Associated Press, a NASA geophysicist has calculated that the force of the earthquake caused a shift in the Earth's mass and actually sped up the Earth's rotation by 1.6 microseconds. That is amazing.
And then today, yet more amazing news about the wiggliness and wobbliness of our Earth. Did you see this today? Did you see this today? Quote, Earth rotation changes zodiac signs. Astronomers from the Minnesota Planetarium Society found that because of the moon's gravitational pull on the Earth, the alignment of the stars was pushed by about a month. The alignment of the stars was pushed by about a month. So the moon is our moon, right? It rotates around us. It is a slave to our far superior gravity. But the moon also has its own gravity. It also exerts its own little moonish gravitational pull on big old us. And that gravitational pull of our own moon on us means that we've tilted a little bit. We've tilted a little bit. We've tilted a little differently. in relation to the sun than we used to be. We're tilted differently in relation to the sun. We're tilted differently in relation to the sun than we were when our position relative to the sun was used thousands of years ago to assign the zodiac signs. We have been nudged by our moon. We have been nudged by our moon. We have been nudged by our moon. And over time, that nudge means that instead of us and the sun and 12 zodiac signs dividing the calendar, it is us and the sun and 13 zodiac signs.
Just when you thought there could not be more change going on in the world, magnetic north is moving. Aviators know it has always moved, but not like this. It's just skipping along. It's on the move about 40 miles a year now along the polar cap toward Russia. It's a natural, unstoppable occurrence, but
the compass is becoming more inaccurate every day. It's not a result of faulty manufacturing. It's because the North Pole itself is changing.